Hey y'all, have you ever gone to bleed brakes and there's only one of you? And yes, you can go spend $40 for a tool to bleed the brakes by yourself. Or you could even make a tool by making a soda pop bottle and you drill the hole and you put a bit hole in it and you pump the brakes and you got to run back and forth from pump the brakes back to check to make sure that you're getting, see if air's still coming on through. And then you got to come up here and run the cylinder. Hey, check out this method that I just came up with. Easy way of bleeding your brakes. First of all, we're going to fill up the reservoir here again. I ain't going to show you the whole process of me doing all my brakes, but I'm just going to show you this one. Just top that off, and then we'll get underneath and we'll start bleeding the brakes. Nobody at the foot pedal. Okay, there's my rubber hose, gas line hose, attached to this syringe. Okay, just a syringe. I'm doing a vacuum bleed. You can spend $40 for the kit to do this, or you can go down to your local feed store, buy this horse syringe, attach it to the rubber hose, and if this end is black, I'd adapted it and you to splice it on into that so it'll fit on the exert fitting over here. And then let's see if I can do this one-handed where you can watch the bubbles. Okay, I'm pulling the syringe. Oops, just a second here. First of all, I gotta open this, dummy me. Just crack that on open. Now I'm gonna pull the syringe and we'll watch for bubbles. See those bubbles coming on through? That's all from the vacuum from this syringe. How do you like that, folks? It's easier doing it two-handed rather than one-handed, but it works. Then it gets done. I gotta reach up here to the wrench, tighten that on up, and then what I'm doing is I go to the syringe here. Sorry, folks. Go to the syringe here, unconnect that, push the plunger back in, reconnect this hose back up here, and I'm ready to pull again and create some more vacuum. It really does work, folks. This really does work, folks. I tell you what, how do you like looking up that nostril? Y'all come back now, yeah. Bye. Now I got to get back to finishing this.